Right, today I'm going to be having a go at this ceiling, guys. I'm going to show you in a second how bad this ceiling is. I've already had one go, one pass, all the way along, because you can see where the boards are like that. And so what I'm doing, I'm putting a bit on this side and a bit on the other side and not putting any in the middle. And I'm just trying to straighten out the ceilings. And what I'm using, guys, I'll show you, is this stuff here, guys. I'm using this, okay? And what I've done, I've scratched all the ceiling so it's come up like this, so it's showing me where I need to be putting my filler. I've got that one to do, I've got this to finish off. This was really bad and I've got to somehow get it flat as possible. I've got another one here to sort out. And the last one is this one here, guys. Just got to sort this out as well. I don't know if you can see it, but so what I've done, I've scraped all the way along and it's showing up the line. Yeah, so let's see how I get on, eh? Fun and games. It is baking hot. It's one of those hot days and I do not want to be doing this, but I'm going to be giving it a go. Whew. Right, I'm going to knock up some of this filler. I've got all my spatulas, I've got all different sizes, guys, like loads of them. And yeah, I'm going to give it a go. Right, let's go. Probably going to have to give this 2 passes. Right, and that's it, that's the first pass. I'm going to let that go off and then I want to add a little bit more onto it. But hopefully they go like that, all nice and easy. Got a really big one here. This one here. I've never done this before, so we'll see how it turns out. I mean, you're not going to catch this in one go, you need to do several. Let's start to figure it, guys. Right, that's it. Because the thing is, it dries so quick, you can't really go back over it. It's you've got to build it up. That's what I'm going to do. Let's see if that makes any difference. There you go, guys. You get the gist. I've just got to go over the whole ceiling. Anyway, that's it. I'll end it there. There's no point watching me do all the ceiling. And once this is done, I've checked the back of the tin, and it's a sealer as well. It's a primer. So I'm going to Zinzerbar over all this filler. Latest, guys. And there you go. I don't know where you can see that, but I've Zinzerbarred it. And it's looking good. Tiny little imperfections that I'm going to go back over with some polyfiller. Like I say, I've got to fill in a few pop screw heads. But yeah, to what it was, to what it is now, it's day and night. Right, let's get the paint out and give this a coat. Right, we are ready for the ceiling to be painted. Let's go. It's going to take about 20 minutes to do this. Hopefully, famous last words. I'm in this room today. All the ceilings have been done now, guys, and I must say they've come out alright. I'm really happy with them. I keep meaning to show all the little jobs that I videoed and the final result of how they look. I'm going to show you the first one. The top of the stairs, like that blue little cupboard thing that I painted, and that was, well, they're going to call this the office, but it's come out really well, guys. It's had 2 coats, and to what it looked like previously, it's come up really nice, so I'm really happy with that. Then I'm going to take you through to where I feathered in the wall. You can't even see like the transition, guys. It's come out really well. It's this corner here, this one here. That's come out really, really nice. So I'm happy with that. And the one on the stairs, now this is not finished just yet, guys, but it needs a little bit more TLC, a little bit more filling, a little bit more rubbing down, but it's getting there. To what it looked like, it's really coming along. And the last one, which I'm about to address now, is the 2 holes that I filled in, guys. Now this is that free fill, so like when I sand this down, it should go back nice and flat now. And yeah, that'll be that done.